Hello YouTube, today I'm going to bring you an unboxing of Adventure Time. You guys can we're just throw our garbage. I got the collector's edition. Got a badge. So let's get straight to the game. Nice. Adventure Time. Okay. Here's the HIKWYSOG. No. You open it up. I got sword. The map of Wu. The book of dragons. The beast. And the game. And the badge. So, yeah. Well, I'm gonna put the camera down. Well, here's the badge. Says explore the land of Wu, punch monsters, hold my glob, GameStop, Cartoon Network. I'll be doing a review of the game as soon as I get to open it up. Flip the pages of ice cream. All this. I'm opening the game. I have to put the camera down because it's hard. Okay. And here it is, Adventure Time. And that was a quick unboxing because I want to get right to the game. The map of Wu. Well, I'm surely gonna enjoy this game. This is Shadow 81 out.